Greetings, HealthBuddy. In this video, we'll talk about the health benefits of black pepper tea. Black pepper is one of the most common spices used in everyday cooking. Whether you use whole black peppercorns or powder it before adding to your meals, you get the same health benefits from this potent spice. With the weather change underway, it's even more important to strengthen our immunity to face the brunt of seasonal infections. Black pepper tea comes as a quick fix in relieving cold and cough, along with offering other advantages like facilitating weight loss. It's easy to make and tastes great along with other ingredients. 1. Improves digestive health. Have you ever put some black pepper on your food and wondered what it does to your stomach? Let me explain. Black pepper, in particular, its active ingredient piperine, does wonders for our digestion. A 2010 study published in the Journal of Ayurveda and Integrative Medicine highlighted how piperine stimulates our stomach to produce more hydrochloric acid. Hydrochloric acid is super important because it helps break down proteins and other foods, ensuring they're probiotic. The next time you season your food with black pepper, keep in mind that your digestive system is also saying a little thank you. This makes food digestion smoother and more efficient. In addition, you may recall those unwelcome stomach gas moments. Black pepper also helps with that because it lowers the formation of intestinal gas and even has antibacterial properties. 2. Improves nutrient absorption. When you add some black pepper to your food, you're not just adding flavor, you're also improving your body's capacity to absorb vital nutrients. You might be wondering how the key compounds in black pepper, particularly piperine, play a crucial role, but it's not just about piperine. Black pepper is a complex mixture of compounds. By interacting with our stomach and liver, and thereby speeding up intestinal absorption, piperine helps us absorb nutrients. In addition to piperine, black pepper also contains essential oils like pinene and limonene, which can increase the bioavailability of some therapeutic drugs and phytochemicals, ensuring they are more effectively absorbed by our system. A 1999 study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that piperine could increase the absorption of beta-carotene by almost 60%. In other words, every time you add a dash of black pepper to your meals, you're essentially turbocharging the advantages of other nutrients in your food. This intriguing discovery comes from a 2017 study published in the Journal of Food Science and Technology. It shows that black pepper oils can enhance the absorption of curcumin, a powerful antioxidant found in turmeric, by a whopping 2,000%. 3. Anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammatory effects prevention. Beyond piperine, black pepper, a spice known for its pungency, contains a wide range of compounds that contribute to its anti-inflammatory potential. These include volatile oils, oleuricins, and other alkaloids. One study published in the Journal of Food Science in 2017 found that these compounds reduce inflammation by inhibiting the activity of specific inflammatory pathways in our bodies. This is similar to how some anti-inflammatory drugs work. Journal of Pharmacology, 2016, for its potential anti-inflammatory effects, particularly related to chronic diseases. You might wonder what types of inflammation it can treat while it's not a cure. All research, including a study from the Journal of Traditional and Complementary Medicine, 2018, suggests that black pepper can help ease symptoms of arthritis, a condition marked by joint inflammation. But keep in mind, while these studies are encouraging, it's essential to consult your physician before using any new treatment. 4. Boosts metabolism. You've probably heard of piperine, the main ingredient in black pepper that gives it its distinctive spicy flavor. Research published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry in 2010 showed that piperine may prevent the formation of new fat cells, which would affect fat metabolism at the cellular level and make your body less likely to store fat. However, piperine isn't the only star of the show. Other substances found in black pepper include limonene, pinene, and sabine. These substances can produce heat, which can rev up your metabolism and help you burn more calories, according to a research published in the European Journal of Pharmacology in 2019. I know what you're thinking. Cool, but what does this mean for me? While it's not a magic bullet, adding a little black pepper to your meals could offer your metabolism a gentle shove. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, it could be a useful addition to your wellness toolkit. 5. Improves brain health. You may be familiar with piperine, the black pepper compound that receives the most attention. But did you know that black pepper also contains other compounds that are beneficial to our brains? According to a 2013 study published in the Journal of Food and Chemical Toxicology, some of the compounds in black pepper exhibit neuroprotective effects. These substances reduce oxidative stress, a significant cause of many neurodegenerative disorders. Another publication, Frontiers in Aging Neuroscience 2017, described how black pepper components can block a particular enzyme that contributes to the development of Alzheimer's disease. To put it simply, black pepper isn't just a flavor enhancer. It's like a mini brain-boosting powerhouse. So the next time you sprinkle some on your dish, remember that it could potentially slow down cognitive decline. Additionally, a report from Brain Research Bulletin 2012 highlighted that these compounds enhance serotonin and beta-endorphin production in the brain for you, which translates to mood enhancements and potentially reducing depressive episodes.